Kapa haka is returning to the stage today with Polyfest, the biggest Māori and Pacifica festival for secondary schools in the world, celebrating its 48th anniversary. Although Polyfest took place a few weeks ago for Pacific Island students, now is the turn of the Māori Stage. Tapatahi reporter Aaron Ryan was at Polyfest earlier.
Kia ora, Neil. We are here at the ASB Polyfest 2023 and we are here at the Māori Stage. It is a historical day today because for the first time ever, secondary schools Kapa haka has been put on its own stage. The reason for this, chatting with organiser Seuli Leo Mau, she said she wanted to give a bit of time for those recovering from Te Matatini, some time to relax before they come into the schools here. But right now, I do have some performers who have just got off I got one performer who just got off the stage recently from Māori College. Now, if I could bring both of you in, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Tēnā and thank you very much for joining me here. Now, we have Sophie Sorensen and Whaia Vicky. Now, Sophie, let's talk about your performance up there. You're one of the leaders of this group. How was it up on stage, especially after the last couple of years with a lot of disruptions?
It was crazy. That adrenaline rush was I don't even know how to explain it, but I just felt so proud of all of our girls and, of our school finally coming together and, kind of, I can't talk, but yeah, that's it.
Now let's talk about the amount of practices you had during the week. It was a 20-25 minute bracket, but you guys managed to pull it off with some disruptions in terms of practicing, right?
Yeah, our tutors are from outside of our school, so we only had about 2 practices a week, both about 3 hours each. But yeah, our girls did incredibly well. I'm so proud.
Yeah, you let the Wairua speak in your guys' performance there. Cool, thank you, Sophie. And Whaia Vicky, you are of Hungarian descent and you teach French.
Yes.
What are you doing here at the Māori Stage at Polyfest? How is it being surrounded, firstly being surrounded by the girls here and being amongst all Māori around here too?
Well, it feels amazing. It is really like a second whānau to us. And I have been teacher in charge of the Kapa haka at Māori College for about 3 years now. And this is really a dream come true for us. Sophie has been with us since she was a junior, so I know that has been her dream, and we are so proud of the girls, and it feels really, really good to be here and celebrate with everybody.
Now tell me, do you see any similarities between your Hungarian culture and Māori at all?
Yes, of course. We always kiss each other as well on the cheek, so that's something that we do. And just the whānau, it's so important. But I think it's for all cultures as well. Whānau comes first, and yes, as I said, our Kapa haka is our second whānau.
Cool. And Sophie, I have one more question for you. All right, you're on all-girls schools. Now you're competing against anyone. What is it like to compete against everyone without, I guess, want to get to know about Kapa haka. What is it like to compete against everyone being an all-girls school as well?
I think it was a bit hard for us at first, definitely because we don't have boys, and so we don't get that kind of the different energy that we could incorporate to make it better. But I think we had a vault session and everyone just let out everything, and it was incredible the amount of difference that was shown, and it was just like, we don't need boys. We're amazing. We were no words. I can't speak. No words at all.
No, you definitely let your performance speak on stage, that's for sure. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Good luck for the end results and good luck for looking after these girls as well. Now, the competition will run from Monday right through to Wednesday, so make sure you get down here, whānau. There's stalls, there's performances, and you can even watch from the big screen out here as well. Back to you, Neil.